Staying healthy is important for everyone. When we are healthy, we can enjoy life, work better, and feel happy. Many people want to know how to stay healthy, and there are many simple ways to do this. I have learned a lot about staying healthy over the years, and I want to share my personal experiences and some easy tips with you. One of the most important ways to stay healthy is by eating good food. When I was younger, I did not always eat healthy. I liked eating fast food, chips, and drinking soda. But over time, I started feeling tired and sometimes got sick. I realized that I needed to change the way I ate. Now, I try to eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like rice and oats. I also eat foods that are high in protein, like chicken, fish, and eggs. Eating healthy food gives me more energy, and I feel stronger every day. I also drink a lot of water, which helps my body stay fresh and clean. When I drink enough water, I feel less tired and my skin looks better. I still enjoy my favorite snacks sometimes, but I learned that it is important to eat them in small amounts. Eating healthy most of the time and having a small treat is a good way to balance my diet. This change in my eating habits has helped me stay healthy. Exercise is another important part of staying healthy. When I was in school, I did not exercise much. I thought that being active was only for people who played sports. But as I grew older, I understood that everyone needs to exercise, not just athletes. A few years ago, I decided to start walking every day. At first, it was hard. My legs felt tired, and I did not enjoy it much. But I kept going, and after a few weeks, I started feeling better. Walking became easier, and I even started running a little. Now, I walk or run for 30 minutes every morning, and it makes me feel great. Exercise helps my body stay strong, and it also helps my mind. After I exercise, I feel less stressed, and my mood improves. I also sleep better at night when I have exercised during the day. It is important to find an activity you enjoy, whether it is walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing. The key is to move your body and have fun. Another important way to stay healthy is by getting enough sleep. Sleep is when our body rests and repairs itself. If we do not get enough sleep, we can feel tired, grumpy, and less focused. I used to stay up late watching TV or playing games on my phone. But then, I noticed that I was always feeling tired during the day. I had trouble focusing at work, and I even started getting headaches. I realized that I needed to change my sleep habits. Now, I try to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up early in the morning. I aim to sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. I also stopped using my phone or watching TV right before bed. This helps me relax and fall asleep faster. Getting enough sleep has made a big difference in how I feel every day. I have more energy, and my mind feels clear and focused. Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress can make us feel bad and hurt our health. I used to get stressed about small things, like work deadlines or problems with friends. When I was stressed, I would eat unhealthy food and not exercise, which made me feel worse. Over time, I learned how to manage my stress in healthy ways. One thing that helps me is taking deep breaths. When I feel stressed, I stop what I am doing, close my eyes, and breathe slowly. This helps me feel calm and think more clearly. I also started practicing yoga and meditation. These activities help me relax my mind and body. They also help me focus on the present moment, instead of worrying about the future. Another thing that helps me is talking to friends or family when I feel stressed. Sharing my problems with someone who listens makes me feel better, and sometimes they give me good advice. Learning to manage stress is important for staying healthy. It helps me feel more in control of my life, and I can handle challenges without feeling overwhelmed. Being healthy is not just about your body. It is also about your mind and heart. Staying connected with friends and family is very important for mental health. When we spend time with people we care about, we feel happy, supported, and loved. A few years ago, I was very busy with work and stopped seeing my friends as often. I thought I did not have time for socializing. But after a while, I started feeling lonely. I missed talking to my friends and laughing with them. I realized that spending time with people is an important part of staying happy and healthy. Now, I make sure to call or meet my friends regularly. Even if I am busy, I try to spend some time with them. We talk, share stories, and have fun together. This makes me feel happier and less stressed. It is important to remember that relationships are part of a healthy life. Whether it is with family, friends, or coworkers, staying connected with others helps us feel good. Staying healthy is also about having a positive attitude. Life can be hard sometimes, and we all face problems. But how we think about those problems can make a big difference. I used to get upset easily when things did not go my way. If something bad happened, I would feel sad or angry for days. But then, I started to realize that having a negative attitude was not helping me. It was making me feel worse. Now, I try to focus on the good things in my life. When something bad happens, I try to find a solution instead of feeling sad for too long. I also started keeping a gratitude journal. Every night, I write down 3 things I am thankful for. This helps me remember that there are always positive things in my life, even on bad days. Keeping a positive attitude helps me stay healthy because it makes me feel happier and more hopeful. When I think positively, I can handle problems better and stay motivated to take care of my health. It is also important to see a doctor regularly, even if you feel healthy. Regular checkups can help find problems before they become serious. I used to think that going to the doctor was only for when I was sick, but now I know that it is important to go for regular checkups. I visit my doctor once a year for a general checkup. The doctor checks my blood pressure, weight, and other important things. Sometimes, the doctor gives me advice on how to improve my health, like eating more vegetables or exercising more. I also visit the dentist regularly to take care of my teeth. Regular checkups help me stay healthy because they catch any problems early. It is always better to prevent health problems than to wait until they get worse. One thing I have learned is that staying healthy does not have to be hard. You do not need to make big changes all at once. Small changes can make a big difference over time. For example, I started by walking for just 10 minutes every day. After a while, I started walking for 20 minutes, and now I walk for 30 minutes. I also started drinking more water by carrying a water bottle with me everywhere. These small changes have helped me feel healthier, and I know that I am taking care of my body. The important thing is to start with one small change and build from there. Whether it is eating more fruits and vegetables, getting more sleep, or moving your body, every small step helps. Staying healthy is something we can all do. By eating healthy, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, managing stress, staying connected with others, and keeping a positive attitude, we can take care of our bodies and minds. It is also important to see a doctor for regular checkups and make small changes over time. My personal journey to staying healthy has been full of learning and growth. I still have days when I do not feel my best, but I know that by following these simple steps, I am doing my best to take care of myself. Staying healthy is a lifelong journey, and it is worth it for a happier, stronger life.